Hi everyone, welcome to our fourth lecture, and today we will learn the fourth statement. So, this statement is very useful and important for the C languages. So, let's start to learn it. For example, I wanna print my name, okay? And how can we do that? We do something like that. Char name, and it has 50 characters, let's say, and is equal to, let's say, dual core. Okay, when you want to print that, the program will not print all of the string. So let's learn it. Printf. I wanna do that, and I will write name. Okay, for example, name 0. When you run your program, the program will give you this D lecture. Let's run it. As you can see, it will give us D. For example, when you do 1, it will give us U. Okay. And let's say 2. And as you can see, it will give us A. Let's run it. And it will give us A. So, for example, we can't write all the string right now. So how can we do that? We can do that with for equation, because the for equation is for repetitive expressions. For example, for statement, and I'm gonna do like that, for, and the for syntax like that, int I is equal to, let's say, 0. Okay, you can do that 1, 2, 3, it doesn't matter, and it will give us less than, for example, 10. Okay, it is less than 10, no problem, and it will higher 1 by 1 and I plus plus, and don't forget the parentheses, one more here and one more here for the for equation here, and not 2, I will give it I, and the program will work like that. For example, int I, and it is less than 10, and the program will start like that. Printf name 0, printf name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4, until name 9. Okay, and let's run it. As you can see, it will give us all the string, and let's make it 2, and the program will print until 0, 1, 2, until A. Let's run it. As you can see, for example, 0, 1, and less than, not less and equal. So let's make it less and equal. Okay, and this progress, it will give us A also, and let's see, it's dual. Okay, and I want to print another thing. For example, what can we print? We can print some numbers. Okay, and I make it comment part. As you can see, the program will not read here. And other thing, let's say I will print the numbers 1 to 10. Okay, how can we do that? We can do that like that. Let's see, int I, you can define int I in for or in the out of the for, and let's make the other type, int I, and for I is equal to 0 and I is less than, let's say, 10, and I plus plus, I will be higher 1 by 1, and let's see, and let's say printf, okay, d percent d, and the I. Okay, so what we are expecting? We are expecting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 10. Okay, let's run it. As you can see, the program will write them, but I want to make on the other line, and let's see, I did it. And as you can see, it will give us the every numbers as another line. So the program will work, and for example you forget to define I, the program will not work, as you can see, because the program is say undeclared identifier I, and the program don't know what is I. But let's define I. As you can see, the program will work right now. So as you can see, we use for equation for more than one expressions, for more than one progress. So you can do addition more than one, you can do extraction more than one, and you can print and you can scan some information more than one. So the example I want you to give you, I want to make you for a program, and the program will take 10 numbers. It doesn't matter. Not 10, let's say 5. For example, you will enter 5, 6, 9, 8, 7. Okay? And then the program will addition them, will give you some of them. Okay? And I know you can do that. If you can do, I want to see your code in the comments part. So take care of yourself. I will see you on the other lecture. Take care.